For now, let's move to printer settings. Open Printer Settings. Here, you will see options for receipt printers and barcode printers. For now, we only need to configure the receipt printer. If you are using Windows, your printer will most likely be connected through USB, so select USB printer. If you are using Android, enable Bluetooth and select the Bluetooth printer option. The printer connection process is very similar on both Windows and Android devices. For this example, we will select USB printer. After selecting the printer type, click Stop and then rescan. The system will search for available printers. Once your printer appears in the list, select it. Next, click Test Print. If a test receipt is printed successfully, it means the printer is connected and working correctly. After that, select the printer again and click Save. Your printer setup is now complete.